everybody? It's your boy Nanu Garage. Right now I'm about to talk to you guys about my Shelby GT350 and a custom steering wheel on it. I see a lot of people getting custom wheels. I used to have one with shift lights on mine. I'm going to be talking about the custom wheel and why I got rid of mine. Go ahead and hop in the interior and I'm going to show you something about the OEM wheel that I really like and draw some comparisons about the other ones that I really didn't like. So as you can see on this one, it's so thin. Looking at it from this angle, this wheel is just super thin. The other one had shift lights in it, so it was literally 3 times if not 4 times thicker on the top. It was just hideous how big it was. In addition to that, the shift lights were on top of the wheel here, and as you GT350 owners know, we have shift lights that are on our windshield already, so it's kind of a distraction to already move your line of eyesight down to here rather than up there on the road. And the OEM ones are honestly better. So shift lights, I definitely don't recommend it. It looks cool for videos, I guess, but I really didn't like it that much. So I talked about how big the other wheel was, and the reason that was a huge issue for me is when you take off the OEM and you have the custom one side by side in both hands, the OEM one is significantly lighter. So they may be asking, why does that matter? The OEM one is lighter than the other. I find that this wheel is so much more nimble. I've done a lot of like swinging around in the car, a lot of back road drives, and this wheel is so much more nimble. It feels like the car is more nimble. And I've talked to other owners about it because I thought, oh, maybe I'm tripping about it. Other owners have even told me they got rid of their wheels because it felt that it wasn't as nimble. The lights that illuminate your buttons over here in your GT350, those only come on at night unless you cover this light sensor up here on your dash. And that light sensor, if you cover it during the day, then your headlights are going to be on and you have to manually turn on your headlights. And that's the only way to wire 12 volt on here. So you're always having to cover the sensor. So that's another con of having the shift lights with the custom wheel. Yeah, that's everything with the custom wheel. I personally just like the OEM so much better. I do wish that it was more flat on the bottom and more aggressive over here. So I hope this was informative. Make sure you guys all like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
You see a carku, call the cops, boy. AK all day, body start to drop, boy. Bamba jinya beaten, sari diyan streetan. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop.